Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. I am your chemistry miss Mrs. Anbu Malar. Today we are going to see a book bag problem, that is 6th lesson book bag problem, solid state. The lesson we already completed. The book bag problem, first one is question number 16 onwards. The book bag problem is there. First question, question number 16. The nickel oxide has the formula nickel 0.96, oxide is 1.00. What fraction of nickel exists as Ni 2 plus ion and Ni 3 plus ion? So what is the given? The solution is, what is the value given? Number of Ni 2 plus ions, 2 plus ions equal to x. Let us we are considered 2 plus ion and 2 plus ion is x and 3 plus ion is y. So number of Ni 3 plus ion equal to y. So what is the value already given? The nickel value is Ni, nickel is 0.96. So we are x plus y. The Ni 2 plus ion, Ni 3 plus ion combined together, the value is 0.96. So what is the answer? So what is x value? 0.96 minus y. Okay, this is the x value. So next we are going to see the charge. So that is the charge of Ni2 plus ion and Ni3 plus ion balanced by O2 minus ion. So that is the oxygen. Oxygen already given 1.00. So it is the Ni2 plus ion and Ni3 plus ions are balanced by 0 oxygen 2 minus ion. So that is the already we are considered 2 plus ion x, 3 plus ion y. So that is 2x plus 3y equal to the charge is minus 2. So that is 2. So now what is, now substitute the x value. Here x value is there. Now you substitute the x value, 2 into 0.96 minus y plus 3y equal to 2. Okay, so this is the another one. So next we are multiplying that. So multiplying 2.096, that is 1.92 minus, that is 2y plus 3y equal to 2. Okay, so that is 1 point, so minus 2y 3y is equal to plus y equal to 2. So what is the 2y value? Y is equal to 2 minus 1.92. So what is the answer? 0.08. So now this is the y value. We find out the y value. So next we are going to find out the x value. Now substitute that y value in the x1. So x is equal to 0.96 minus 0.08. So what is the answer is 0.08. Okay, so this is the x value, this is y value, this is x value. So next we are going to see the percentage of Na2 plus ion. So the question is asking exists as the Na2 plus ion. What fraction nickel exists as Na2 plus ion, Na3 plus ion? So Na2 plus ion, Ni 0.96, 1.00. So how to calculate? That is the total x is equal to Na2 plus ion. So 0.088. So 0.8 multiply 100 divided by 0.96 equal to 91.67 percentage. So this is the Na2 plus ion. So next we are going to see the Na3 plus ion. So what is percentage of Na3 plus ion? Ni 0.96, oxygen 1.00 equal to 0.08. So what is that value? That is the y value. Y value is Na3 plus ion. So that is 0.08 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.96. So that is total nickel value is 0.96. So that is Na2 plus 3 plus ion value for multi. That is the percentage. So the value answer is 8.33 percentage. So what is the fraction? So x value is 0. X value, y value. So x is Na2 plus ion, y is equal to Na3 plus ion. What is the percentage? So given percentage, so 91.67. So this is the first question. Okay, this question last year they are asking for the half-yearly question. So this is another important question. So next we are going to see the 18th question, 17th question, one theory question. Next we are going to see the 18th question. First one is, the question is, an element as the BCC structure with cell edge of 288 perimeter. The density of the element is 7.2 gram centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? So first we are going to say an element as the BCC structure. So what is the value given? Edge of BCC. Edge of BCC, that is A, equal to how many? So how much? So that is 288 perimeter. So perimeter is converted into centimeter because the density is given in a centimeter cube. So that is cubic centimeter. So we are converted perimeter into a centimeter. 2.88 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, for BCC, number of atoms in BCC. What is the number of atoms? How to calculate? So number of atom here already calculate, no? So how to calculate? So number of atom in BCC means that is body center cubic unit, only one atom. So the number of atoms in the cubic, number of atoms at the corners is shared by 8 unit cell. Number of atoms in the body center shared by 1. So that is 8 by 8 plus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is we already studied. Okay, that is the BCC. Z is equal to number of atom in BCC unit cell. What is the density given? Density is equal to already 7.2 gram centimeter minus cube. So what is the mass of the element? Already given. Mass of the element is equal to 208 gram. Okay, so what is the how to calculate the M? So what is mass? That is, what is the formula? The packing fraction. So we are, before going to calculate the packing fraction, that is mass of the element, molecular mass of this element. That is what is Na, that is Avogadro number, that is N. A cube, that is the edge length, rho density, Na Avogadro number, N is equal to, that is number of atoms per unit cell. Now you substitute that value, 2.88 into 10 power minus 8, the whole cube, into 7.2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by 2. Okay. So now we can simplify, that is 2.88 the whole cube into 10 power minus 8, that is 10 power minus 24 into 7 point, so that is 7.2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 divided by 2. So here that is 23, 24. You substitute that value. We can simplify that value. 3.9 into 10 power minus 1 divided by 2. So equal to, you simplify that, the value is 51,795 gram mole minus 1. So next one is calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. Number of atoms of an element is equal to mass by atomic number and Avogadro number, 023 into 10 power 23. Okay, number of atoms present in, so number of atoms in an element. So total element weight is 208. So that is number of atoms present in 208 gram equal to 208 divided by 51.795 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 equal to 2.418 into 10 power 24 atoms. So that is the finally how many atoms. So that is single element containing this much number of atoms in 208 gram, means you simplify that, this is the answer. Okay, once again, first you write the edge length of the BCC. The perimeter is converted into centimeter. For BCC, number of atoms per unit cell 2. So that is, this is the simple calculation number, how to calculate the number of atom, density given, mass of the element given. So molecular mass A cube. So that is the edge length A cube. Rho density, that is the density is rho, mass of the element, so 208. So N is equal to number of atoms per unit cell, that is the BCC unit cell, that is true. So I simplify that, we can calculate this much. So number of atoms for an element, total number of atoms, how many number of atoms present in 208 gram of the element. So number of atoms 208 gram is equal to 2.418 into 10 power 24 atom. Okay, so this is the 18th question. So next we are going to see the 19th question. What is the 19th question? Aluminium crystallized in a cubic close packed structure. Its metallic radius is 124 perimeter. Calculate the edge length of the unit cell. So once again, aluminium crystallized in a cubic close packing, that is CCC packing structure. Its metallic radius, so that is the given, only the radius only the given. Radius equal to 125 perimeter. Okay, for close packing, cubic close packing, that is closed cubic packing crystal, R is equal to, what is the formula? A square root of 2 by 4. So now A square root of 2, the 4 we can write, how to write the 4? 2 in the square root of 2 in the square root of 2. So that is, we can write like this. Okay, that is 1 2, so that is A by 2 square root of 2. Okay, this is the R value. So A means 2 square root of 2 into R. Now you substitute that R value. What is the R value? 2. What is the square root value? 1.414 into R value is 125 perimeter equal to 353.5 perimeter. Okay, so this is the another one. So first the given value is R. So for closed cubic packing system, what is radius? Radius equal to A square root of by 4. 4 we can write like this, square root of 2. 2 square root of 2 square root of 2 means, that is, you simplify, cancel that, you can write the 4. So R is equal to A by square root of 2. 2 into 2 into 4. So substitute the square root 2 values. So you substitute all the values, you can get the answer. Okay, this is the 19th one. So next question is 20th question. If sodium chloride is doped with 10 power minus 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride, what is the concentration of cation vacancy? So how to calculate? So that is the first one. 1 mole of sodium chloride is doped with. So the sodium chloride doped with 10 power minus 2. So therefore 1 mole of sodium chloride doped with 10 power minus 2 per 100. So we can write 10 power minus 4. The 100 is coming to the upper part, means what is the answer? 10 power minus 2. So that is minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 10 power minus 4 mole. So each strontium. So here what is the strontium chloride? Yes or Cl. Yes or Cl. So how to write? So each strontium 2 plus ion. So how the concentration of cation vacancy. Cation means positive ion vacancy. So strontium 2 plus ion will create 1 cation vacancy in sodium chloride. So what is mean by dope? Dope na bind agradhu. So strontium chloride bind doped with sodium chloride. So that is each strontium chloride 2 plus ion will create 1 cation in Na plus. Number of cation vacancy produced by so how many mole of strontium? That is 10 power minus 4 mole of strontium 2 plus ion. So that is 1 mole means, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 10 power minus 4 mole. So number of vacancy for strontium chloride, vacancy in strontium chloride. So simplify that, you multiply all that value, 6.023 into 10 power 90 per mole. Okay, once again, 1 mole of sodium chloride doped with 10 power minus 2 by 100. So that is 10 power minus 4 mole. Strontium chloride, each strontium 2 plus ion will create 1 cation in sodium chloride. Number of cation vacancy produced by 10 power minus 4. So that is strontium chloride formula SrCl2. So here how to write Sr2 plus 2Cl minus ion. We can write like this. The same way NaCl, how to write Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. So that is strontium chloride. So Sr2 plus create only one sodium chloride. So number of cation vacuums produced by 10 power minus Sr2 plus. So that is we can simplify that. So that is number of vacancies strontium chloride, this one.